What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're gonna be doing another unboxing. Yes, we're gonna be doing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yes, unboxing. So we're gonna get my first reaction, my response, to the whole thing. And of course, I got my trusty cool looking knife from Jordan. So thanks again. Thanks again, buddy. So I'm gonna be using this and not my potato chips. It's been a while since I used this, so I'm happy I can use this. So, how you guys are? I guess you guys are like, well, we really can't say anything to you, but yes, you can in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, and also if you old, hit the like button. But those who are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, come and support me. Join the Dancing with Tech family. We like to have fun, do random stuff, all kind of things. So yeah, check us out. So let's see. So like I said, we got the S21. Oh, wow. Now this is a pleasant surprise. I didn't expect them to send a smart tag. Did not expect that. Cause usually when they do like little free giveaways and stuff like that, they use wait to after 14 days after you have the phone, when you can't return the phone, then you go ahead and submit and they'll send for. But this is a pleasant surprise, and I will be doing a review on this. Ooh, wait, y'all excuse me. Ooh, something flew in my eye. They package this phone really well. Wow. This is different type of packaging, guys. Like, look at this. Look at this packaging. Look at this. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I had to pause the camera. It was like a piece of hair in my content. I'm like, oh my gosh, what's going on? So if you see the weird edit cup, yeah, I had to pause in. I might cut it out now, but anyways, let's go back to the main event. Yes, this phone. And obviously the biggest thing we noticed different right away is the size of the box. It don't have that big old bulky box. And honestly, I actually kind of like the box like this. And obviously you guys know, you've been watching my Tech channel, other YouTubers. There's no charging block in here. So we're gonna see what's in here, what Samsung, decided to put inside this phone. So, all right. Thanks again for this amazing knife. Every time I use this knife, I'm always gonna give Jordan props. I always give him props. All right. So of course, you guys, you see my trusty phone, the Note 9. Yes, I'm still rocking the Note 9. So we're gonna talk about this later on. We're gonna be talking about this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Nice and pretty. Look at this. Look, watch the sound effect. So fresh and clean. It smells like a brand new pair of shoes. So off the back, it of course it feels good quality, and the back of it, it kind of reminds me of the Note 20 Ultra back, the little cheaper model. It doesn't feel like it had a good glass back, but it still feels good though. I mean, I don't know if you could tell. You might be able to see some of my fingerprints or the smudges. I'm not sure if you could tell. See the camera gonna focus in on it. But I mean, it doesn't look bad, especially with the color and stuff. But I love the camera module. Definitely love the camera module. Now, if I had my way, I would have preferred to get the purple and gold phone, but that only comes in the S Standard and the S Pro version. And I wanted the Ultra version to do a review, show you guys. So what else comes in here? So of course you got a little paper, and we may have a tool injector in here, more than likely. We got tool injector right here, and we got the cord, USB cord, of course. Some paper, like Flossie will say, plucking a fallow. And that's it. The box was light, you know, the fact with the phone being inside of it. But I mean, what I think about overall so far, I mean, the design looks awesome. So I guess we're going about to turn this phone on and see what this phone does. Cause I want to get my, give you guys my initial, my initial response on the phone. So we're looking at the boot up. You guys will see the phone booting up. We're gonna see. And if you guys have any specific questions, leave a question in the description below, and I'll be glad to answer any of you guys' questions. So of course you got the startup, the terms of agreement, the standard stuff. We're gonna skip that. Skip anyway. We'll set it later on. We're not gonna copy data right now. Go here. All right. So guys, I'm not gonna bore you with the boring. All right, guys. So now we got the phone all set up, as you can see right before your eyes. We're gonna be looking at some things real quick. Let me see. Seems like it's pretty fast, but of course you gotta go. Of course, gotta go in the settings and tweak it a little bit, get that quicker speed, that quicker flow. Let me see. Got your menus and stuff. Yeah, the standard stuff that comes with the phone. Your apps, your features, software updates, your camera, your introduction. I mean, pretty much the standard stuff that usually come with stuff like this. You got your zoom, you got your 10x zoom, 3x, 1, and your 0.6x, and of course you got your 100x. So I will be testing out this right here, trying to get you guys. So I will be testing this out with the zoom, because remember the last S20 Ultra had a zoom focus at 100 space zoom, and looks like the 100 space zoom, or the 100 whatever you want to call it, is back, and we're going to see if it's better, or we're going to see if it's about the same. So I know Samsung's probably be better, but otherwise guys, stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna be doing a deep dive in this video, do some camera shots, do some camera comparisons, and just tell you my overall opinion about it. Right now, as far as the unboxing aspect of it, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving the camera in the center. I don't know if you guys can see it, but got the camera in the center. I'm loving the back of the camera module. The quality is nice and firm. Got a little weight to it. But overall, I mean, feels nice in my hands, but of course, Samsung usually do a pretty good job, make sure phones feel good in your hands. And I brought my phone up because you guys, like I said before in the beginning of the video, I have the Note 9. It's a no-brainer, right? The Note 9, I've been rocking this phone about 3 years. And yes, I bought a lot of phones last year. I bought a few phones last year and did some reviews for you guys. And of course, one of the phones I bought gave to my wife, the Z Fold 2. So, but I'm like, so it's time for me to be rocking a new phone. So I don't know which phone I'm gonna use as my main phone. Maybe this phone. It may be the Note 21 Ultra, because there's rumors out there supposed to come out. Or it could be the Z Flip 3 or the Z Fold 3. Or I might go to the dark side and check iPhones out. So guys, that's it for my initial review. So far, Samsung get an A+, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I do like the smaller box, to be honest with you. And I like the smaller box. To me, with the smaller box, it looks better, looks cleaner, looks better. So guys, tell me what you think in the comments below. Tell me how you feel that Samsung did not include a charging block. At first it was a big deal to me, but at the same time, I kind of don't care, because I got a lot of charging blocks, and I guess that's what it was getting at. But if I or anybody who's an iPhone, well, who's going to iPhone as a new user, that might be a little struggle because, you know, if you don't have no iPhone products, or if you come from iPhone or Android, you know, then I could see the little strain not having charge block. Otherwise, you know, it's not a big deal, you know. And stay tuned for the smart tag review. I'm gonna be testing it out and see how good this really works. Well, guys, thanks for checking me out. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.